Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have super exciting Chanel unboxing today. Today is actually my 13-year cancer survivor anniversary. So I decided to get something very special, something that I've been waiting for a really long time, and I've been saving up to get this one for a while now. So finally the time has come, and yeah, here I have it now. So let's go ahead and unbox this together. I'm just so super excited. It's 13-year anniversary, you guys. I know number 13 is not, a lucky number, but because it's number 13, I wanted to do something very special to commemorate it. So here we go. Chanel. I'm just super excited. Okay. I don't want to undo this almost, but let's take the flower off. I'm gonna save this whole packaging just the way it is, so hopefully I can tie it back to the way that she tied it. I mean, I already looked at it at the store, but it's still super exciting to unbox this with everyone. Okay, let's stick this flower over here. Okay. Are you guys ready? Dun, da, da, da. Oh. This is like holy grail bag for me. So I'm just super excited. Here's the dust bag. You guys know what this is, don't you? If you've been following me for a while, you guys know what this is. So here we go. It is Chanel Classic medium flap, you guys. It's medium. Oh my god, it's just so exciting. I looked at jumbo and medium and small size at the store. Jumbo was like actually a bit too big for my frame, so I looked at medium and small. Oh, isn't this so pretty? Oh, it's just so beautiful. It's classic flap, double flap with caviar leather. So anyway, I just kind of stopped talking. So I looked at jumbo and medium and small size, and jumbo was too big for my frame, and small was a little bit like, compared to small and medium, the strap length was kind of similar, but I liked medium better was because it was slightly larger than small and I could feel a little bit more if I need to. So I went with medium. So let's open this flap. And then remove this felt. Oh, you guys, it's just so pretty. It's a work of art. And here's the authenticity card. And it is 31 series. Remove that. Oh my god, it's just so pretty. Here's the double flap. Here's the Sacred Love Letter compartment. It's very shallow. It's probably like 1.5 inches deep, so it's very shallow. You can probably put a pencil or two in here, to be honest with you. I don't think you can put in like a love letter. Not that I have love letters. I don't have love letter to hide. Anyway, so this is the compartment where Coco Chanel used to hide love letter in there. That's, that's the story behind it. And there's a pocket here, which I probably won't be using because I'm kind of afraid of stretching out this stitching on this corner. So I won't be using it. So I'll be just using this main compartment. To be honest, I probably won't be using this pocket either. I'll be just using the main compartment and this front pocket. So there's a snap button for the inside flap, which I don't think anybody actually uses this to snap it close. It will be just like hanging like this. So here's the detail, Chanel, and then the classic Mona Lisa pocket. It's just so gorgeous, you guys. And then here's the tag. Oh my god. Oh, it's just so pretty. I'm so happy. And also, you know, the fact that I've survived 13 years of second chance at life, that's something to celebrate, right? So anyway, thank you for sharing this moment with me. I may be doing a detailed review, what fits or what not, that sort of video in the future if you like to see something like that. So anyway, thank you for watching. Bye bye.